Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you an e-commerce empire builders academy review. If this is your first time to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews to let you know which products are good and which ones are not. I'm also going to branch out a little bit into e-commerce this year, as well as teaching you YouTube marketing. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos, which right now is on a daily basis. With that being said, let's go ahead and get into this review. I'm really excited to show this to you because I think this is something that a lot of people would be interested in because it's something different than what I've seen before. I've reviewed a lot of e-commerce products, drop shipping products, and spent a lot of money on them myself. So I was really excited to see something a little bit different and very, very effective for a lot of people. And I'll show you that here in just a minute. So again, the e-commerce empire builders academy, that's what this product is called. The creator is Peter Prue. And these are just some of his credentials. He has won the Russell Brunson's 2 Comma Club Award. He's holding that right here, I believe. Featured on Ty Lopez's program teaching how to use funnels, and he's the CEO of E-commerce Empire Builders Company, and he has a great YouTube channel teaching about e-commerce as well. Okay, the product is about drop shipping, but it's different because they use sales funnels to sell products. So I'm going to show you that here in just a minute, what the modules in the course are. But I really liked what Peter said here, and he said e-commerce is a formula. If the numbers make sense, you follow the guidelines of the formula, there's absolutely no way you can fail. So I thought that was really powerful because I know a lot of people do try e-commerce and maybe fail for one reason or another, especially Shopify, if they don't know what they're doing, don't know how to find the products. And so I like that he said there's really absolutely no way you can fail if you do what he says. Okay, so let's get into the modules here. The first one is module 0, but I thought this was really, really powerful because a lot of people start an online business, e-commerce included, and don't really know what to do on a daily basis. So just a few things that's covered in this module. I'm not going to tell you everything, but he's got a daily routine, goal setting, that's super important, and formula to 6 and 7 figures. And then the first module, he's going to show you how to do product research, how to find niches, and how to reach out to suppliers. So that I thought was really good. The second module is all about funnels. Guys, this is so powerful. He gives you all his high converting funnels and training on how you're going to be able to download all these funnels into your ClickFunnels, and he's going to show you exactly how to get your funnels to convert. So this is like, I just can't believe that he gives all of this to you in this course. So that's module 2. Module 3 is all about email marketing. So what's different about this course, again, is that you're going to use ClickFunnels to build sales funnels to sell your e-commerce products. And by doing that, your customers are going to be on your email list. And he's going to give you access to all his high converting email templates. So you'll be able to use all of those. You won't have to figure out what to do as far as what to write in your emails. And I don't know about you, but when I get on a vendor's email list, I tend to buy things again just because I liked it in the first place. And that's what the whole series is about, is you're going to be able to sell a lot more products because you're emailing your customers. Okay, so that's module 3. Module 4, you're going to learn influencer marketing on social media sites. I'm not going to tell you which ones, but this is super, super powerful that you're going to be able to sell on social media platforms. Module 5 is all about Facebook advertising. Peter said that he has spent a lot of money with Facebook training that he's bought, and he's going to teach you everything that you need to know about Facebook marketing to be able to sell your e-commerce products. And module 6 is all about the processes to scale to 7 figures. And most importantly, I think, is to gain your time freedom, because you can have this e-commerce store. I know when I was drop shipping, it took so much time, and it was like you just had a whole nother job. So you really want to learn how to gain that time freedom, and also, of course, to scale up as you grow. So that's module 6. And here in just a second, I'm going to show you some reviews and results. But I just wanted to show you some of the other things. I'm not going to click into any of these because I don't want to show what's in the modules. But this is what the course actually looks like. The other things besides the 6, well, it's actually 7 modules if you add 0 in there, is monthly funnel hacks. So he goes in, he finds companies that are making millions of dollars and hacks into their funnels, and he sees what they're doing, and he recreates that, and then you'll be able to have access to those funnels as well. So that's really, really powerful. Question and answer sessions, that's really important. That the support that you get with this, it looks like it's really, really good. And then there's next level. I won't click on that. Bonus courses and live classes. So that's everything that's in the course here. And I would say this is the best e-commerce course that I have seen, and I love it, again, because it is different. It uses ClickFunnels to build an email list and to sell even more products than you would otherwise do. Okay, so it can be great, but do people actually get results with this product? Yes, they do. First of all, only good reviews that I've seen on this course. Peter helped. I mean, he's a really good person as far as being able to teach what he does. And you can see that he only gets like 5 stars here. And then there's a lot of student successes and videos about people using his training and be able to get really great results. I'm just going to scroll down here, but there's all kinds of testimonials here on people just making really, really good profits with this course. All right, so that is, and here's one more thing, is he has the 10K and 50K club, and also the 7-figure club. But these, you can see his students are making money. A lot of people are in the 10K club, 50K club. So this isn't something that, it's just a good course. People are actually getting results. And like I said, he said it's a formula for success. It's not just something that you go out there and you try it. It actually works when you do what he says. So the E-Commerce Empire Academy has a free masterclass. And so I would say if you are interested in learning more about how to use sales funnels with e-commerce and really have success with e-commerce, I would say go ahead and register for the free masterclass. This in itself is going to give you a lot of value, give you a lot of training. Let me just show you here what it says. It's going to teach you how to find and sell products that you can get for free that bring in $10,000 or more a month in sales, how to plug and play your products into proven 6-figure sales funnels that will quadruple your sales from every customer and have them buying from you month to month on autopilot. That is super powerful right there. How to instantly start driving a flood of highly targeted traffic and sales to your funnel within 30 minutes of launching. That's pretty great right there, 30 minutes of launching. So I'm going to leave a link in the description below this video. That's going to be the first link there. And you'll be able to register for this free training with Peter Prue, how to build your e-commerce empire in less than 30 days without relying on Shopify, Amazon FBA, or expensive paid traffic. So I would say that in itself, it's free, can give you all kinds of great information if you do want to delve into e-commerce this year. It sounds like people are having really great success with it. I give it a thumbs up. If you guys found value from this e-commerce empire builders academy review, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and if you have any questions, make sure you leave those in the comments below this video. And again, I highly recommend that you register for this free training class here. That'll be the first link in the description below this video. Go ahead and click on that. With that being said, this is Karen Merrill signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.